Diatone FPV back again, and today we're unboxing the Roma 5, the 5-inch freestyle quad from Diatone. And yeah, we hear good things, but let's have a look at it. The box, really hard to get off. There it is. Nice little insert inside the box. Diatone Innovations. Got some instructions. What's that? The user manual. Definitely not going to read that. Nice little wiring diagram card for the ESCs, and I guess the flight controller as well. So look. Yeah, ESCs, flight controller, and the VTX. Nice. With some little cables and another diagram there. There's a set of props. What are they? Can you see that? They look good. Nice pitch on them. Some TPU bits, GoPro mounts. They look nice. Yeah, good quality. Another bag of screws. I think you get, there's a buzzer in here, I think, some lipo straps, some screws, and some battery isolation. Oh, and some cable ties as well. Good little package, we'll lay that out later. Oh look, it's your guards and your other bits and spare parts. Good selection there. I'll lay those out later. Antenna, right hand, nice. I just have to go and find these. You can have a look at it. So yeah, feels really quality, really sturdy, not much flex in the arms. Let's get these bits off. Wow, the motors look good. It's nice, feels really high quality. This front bumper feels really strong. Interesting to see what the camera's like. Nice mount at the back for your Crossfire and antenna. So you can see I have now added TBS Crossfire Nano to UART 1. There was an existing plug soldered on, but I took it off and soldered it direct. That's all now bound and arming and live, so that's good. Top plate's off, and I'm just going to lay out the accessory pack so you can see what comes with it. So I think this is one of the most comprehensive spares pack I've seen in a ready to fly. You know, you've got cable ties, you've got some antennas, like antenna tubes, obviously engine motor bolts, you've got your pads for your battery, you've got some tips for your antenna mounts, loads of different screws, all labelled, which I just think is awesome, and they're really nice quality screws as well. You can see the heads are all chamfered and that, it's nice. Some spacer plates and 2 battery straps, so that's just in the one bundle. Then you've got 2 GoPro mount options, bolts and an Allen key in another packet. And then here you've got TPU spares in 2 colours, so you've got a full set in like clear black or grey and a full set of white, and it kind of comes with the white already mounted. The Stormtrooper swagger, we love it. So really is a quality package and really good value, I think. So yeah. Bloody Crashcroft plugging in DJI on me. What to report? Not quite as poppy as my builds, but that's to be expected, I guess, because I didn't build it. But it's all stock settings, flies nice, it's got nice power there. I broke a prop on that first tree gap, which is a bit of a bummer. So these aren't the props that came in the box, these are the props that came as a gift from the supplier. So yeah, all in all, so far so good. Let's put another pack through it. Pesci FPV back again. We've had a couple of rips, quite a few crashes with the Roma 5 from Diatone, and so far it's withstanding some beatings. It's flying nice. I broke the set of props that came with it on the first stack, but that being said, it still flew nice. The motors are good, camera's good, and obviously the protection works because all of the flight controller and the ESCs look really nice.